I want to do something with this header here at the top. This header here. I want to change the color of it. So we go back to the header and change that to font, and then we have color. This color is called an attribute, and we're going to set that equal to red. Okay, so you can see it's got some highlighting going on here. It tells us what is happening. It gives us some indication if we've done things like correctly or not. So now what I want to do is put the closing tag to font in over here, and it does it automatically for us, and then do save, and you can see already that it's changed to red. Okay, so now this heading here, I'm not happy with that. I want to change that to bold, and I want to change let's say friends to italics. Okay, so if we go in here, we can change this to bold by using B. And then save that, and we look, and it's changed to bold. It doesn't really seem to have made much difference, does it? So if we go to friends, because I want to change friends to italics. So if I put an I in, and save that. Now when I look, you can see that friends has changed to italics. So already you can see there's quite a bit that you can do, like to get started. And to organize your website. And these are the few things that you need really to sort of get to grips with. I know that this is very, very basic, but you're just here to learn, right? Because if you're looking at this video, you probably never coded in HTML before. So this one up here, this didn't show very well, did it? So let's take that out and let's make family bold. A bold family. Sounds good, right? Right, let's separate this code out here so you can see what's going on. Now, see how it has been nested here, right? I've got the B just in front of the family, and then the closing tag just in front of it. I haven't got I don't have this closing tag outside of this closing list tag, because if it did that, it wouldn't work. So if we do save, and now I go here, you can see that family is in bold. Okay, so just to emphasize that, let's put family in italics as well. So do italics, I for italics. And now if I put I there, you can see that it's showing up in red. It's showing that it's in the wrong place. It's nested incorrectly. So we have to take that out and pop it in there. So now we have the bold. See if I can get them to highlight. We have the bold tags on the outside, and we have the italic tags on the inside. It could be the other way round, but you can't mix them up. They have to they're kind of like parentheses. You have to get them in the right order, but it does show if you do something wrong. So if we have a look at the website now, we can see that this is bold and in italics. Okay, so this is really very basic stuff that you can just practice. You can make your own website now and test it very easily using brackets and XAMPP. You don't need the XAMPP if you're just using the HTML code, but once we start putting PHP in, XAMPP will make things so much easier for us to do. But for now, get used to the idea of using tags, how these tags are nested. So we haven't got anything in the header tag here, but on the opening tag, the root tag HTML is at the top and at the bottom. We have the body tag, which contains like the main content of information. We have header tags, which you use for your headers. You have font tags, which have to be nested correctly within other tags. You have different types of header tags giving different sizes. You have unordered list tags and ordered list tags, and within them you put list items, and you between the list item tags you write what is going to be in the list. You use break to give you some spaces. You use I tags for italics, and you use these B tags for bold. Okay, I think that's enough to be getting on with now, because what you can do is you can go to, if you type into your browser HTML tags, so here's a good one, W3 schools elements, and it will give you some idea of like the tags. There's like loads. These attributes here, this color is an attribute, and the value of that attribute is red. Don't worry too much about that right now. Just make a simple website, see how you get on. See you in the next video. Bye.